Hydrolyzed hemp is a protein that can penetrate the hair to help strengthen it. It's said to increase elasticity and help prevent basic breakage over time. It's also thought to improve moisture retention by improving how the hair handles the process, especially high porosity hair. Now, because of this, it can contribute to hair growth by keeping the hair on your head instead of it breaking off from dryness. It also helps fight frizz by smoothing the hair cuticle and fighting tangles.
The usage rate for hydrolyzed hemp protein is 1 to 5%. It's made from the cannabis sativa plant.